my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Food. Yes, this is the time of the year when everyone likes to entertain a lot. We get together with friends, family comes and stays with us, there's office parties, and many other excuses for gatherings. A recipe that is incredibly easy to make and so delicious is my holiday cheese ball. With chopped bacon, walnuts, cranberries, and chives mixed with two kinds of cheese, this hors d'oeuvre is perfect for any occasion. So let's get cooking. In a bowl, we'll combine goat cheese and cream cheese, both soft, and mix them together. Next month, I'll be posting a great trick on how to soften cream cheese, so stay tuned. To this, we'll add honey, which brings a little sweetness but also helps to balance the flavors. Then bacon. We all know that everything tastes better with bacon. Followed by finely sliced chives, then walnuts, and also dried cranberries, both finely chopped. We'll stir very well until the ingredients are nicely blended. We'll cover and transfer to the fridge for half an hour, long enough so it starts to harden a little and makes it easier for us to form into a ball. 30 minutes later, we'll place a piece of plastic wrap on a cutting board or straight on a kitchen counter and spoon the cheese mixture in the center of it. We'll gather the four corners of the cling film and bring them towards the middle. Holding them with one hand, we'll twist the top of the plastic wrap and shape the cheese mixture into a ball. We'll gently press around it and try to make it look prettier. We can always readjust later. This time, we'll transfer to the fridge for 1 hour. 60 minutes later, we'll take care of the outside layer. In a bowl, we'll add the crumbled bacon, the chopped walnuts, then the cranberries, and the sliced chives. We'll stir until well combined and transfer the mixture onto a plate. It works better that way. We'll now take the cheese ball out of the fridge, remove the wrap, and roll it in the mixture, evenly covering the entire ball by gently pressing down so the ingredients adhere nicely. There's enough ingredients to cover the whole thing. It can be enjoyed right away or wrapped in plastic film and back to the fridge until ready to serve. And my friends, this is our holiday cheese ball. Festive and colorful, this classic hors d'oeuvre is such a delight. It's a great party food to make this season. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!